Welcome to Garment Pro ERP system. Today I will show you a tutorial about how to use the bill of material in the manufacture order. Okay, let's start. Sign in into the system, and then click the top right menu to open the menu page. We are now going to the manufacture order document to show up the process of operation. Click the block named Transactions and then click the MFG. You will find that the manufacture order block. On the top right corner of the block, here has a list lines bar. Click it, it will direct go to the document listing. In the listing, open a one of manufacture document. In the item page of order, you can see, here has a one item, named shirt. Click the icon, to open the color size assortment, to review the quantity information of the item. After that, we can go to the material combo, to import the BOM data from the master. The material combo operation is same to BOM master. But there has import button, to import BOM data from BOM master. If the customer requires slightly change of the BOM, and only for this order, you can first to import the BOM data from master, and direct change the different in the orders. Any changes in the orders does not affect to the BOM master. It just keeps into the document. After complete the material combo, we can go to BOM requirement. In the BOM requirement page, simple click the generate, all the quantity of each material will be generated. In the behind scene, how the system to calculate. Let's open the quantity result one by one. The material FAB001 has quantity 4.93 in color red and size 140. And also has quantity 4.93 in color white and size 140. Recall the product quantity, convert it in flatten format, and copy into Excel, sample like this. Next, copy the material color combo. And then, copy the material size combo. And final, copy the material consumption. Go back to the data in Excel, each row is connected all information between product and material. For example, the product in the first row is represented, it ordered the red color, S size, and quantity is 1 pieces. And it requires a fabric material FAB001 in red color and 140 width size, on quantity 1.11. So, the usage quantity in first row is 1.11. The below row also use the same method to calculate the usage. Then, the next step is handle the tolerance. The tolerance of this material is 10%. So, the usage quantity in first row is 1.11 times 1, which equal to 1.221. Finally, sum up all the material unique color size usage. And it will become that. The fabric material FAB001 in red color and 140 width size, is 4.93. And that in white color and 140 width size, is also 4.93. That is the final result of usage. That is the final result come from system and all of calculation. In addition, this information is printable for planning use. Close the assortment window, and then save the document before preview the printout. Now, you can click the print preview, to preview document. At the top of pop-up window, here is the option, BOM. That is to show up all the usage information in the PDF format. That is the end of tutorial. Thank you for your watching.